Hello and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. A spot market Bitcoin ETF is something of a holy grail for the crypto industry, despite the fact that these stock market traded financial funds already trade in Canada and Europe. The reason why it has to do almost entirely with the SEC denying the dozens of applications seen so far, putting it out of reach for US investors looking for Bitcoin exposure without buying Bitcoin directly. The likelihood of having a spot market Bitcoin ETF or exchange traded fund ready to list on the market by year's end is now a near certainty. After years of legal wrangling, the US Securities and Exchange Commission has run out the clock on applying to the US Court of Appeals, which recently excoriated the securities regulator for its seemingly biased decision in approving a futures-based ETF while denying a substantively similar spot market-based product. For instance, Grayscale's filing for a spot Bitcoin ETF in October 2021 and its rejection by the US Securities and Exchange Commission in June 2022 made far fewer headlines than the August ruling by a 3-judge panel for the US Court of Appeals that the regulator was wrong. News of the court's ruling made tidal waves across the crypto and financial worlds because of what it could mean for BlackRock's recent spot Bitcoin ETF submission. Despite BlackRock's 99.8% ETF approval record, it's still unclear how the SEC will rule on this, given that it hasn't approved any prior Bitcoin ETFs and is aggressively targeting major US-based crypto exchanges. Nevertheless, the association of Bitcoin with BlackRock provides plenty of optimism among some Bitcoin and crypto maximalists, while others worry about a centralized entity yielding too much power in the space. Considering it appears BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF would be backed by actual Bitcoin and would therefore require the asset manager to purchase as much Bitcoin as the ETFs it sells, it's quite clear it will boost the price of the cryptocurrency. For the optimists, an SEC approval for BlackRock's ETF would legitimize not only Bitcoin but the entire crypto industry. This belief is hardly debatable. With an unprecedented $9 trillion in assets under management and 70 offices across 30 nations, BlackRock is the bridge between Bitcoin and an unfathomable amount of wealth. And when the world's largest and most prestigious asset manager shows interest in a specific asset or asset class, investors across the globe take notice. But rising prices don't necessarily mean long-term sustainability within crypto. We've witnessed several bull cycles and massive price swings in just the last 6 years. There's also no guarantee that a rise in Bitcoin's price will translate to rising crypto prices across the board. Not long ago, TradeFi was threatened by a nascent crypto industry bent on undermining the need for a well-established centralized financial world, and with uncertain regulations in the pipeline, a potential Bitcoin ETF, and more interest from TradeFi, that scenario has been flipped. But by utilizing their own strengths, TradeFi and crypto-native companies can help build a more robust crypto ecosystem capable of fueling mass adoption, regardless of whether the SEC approves the proposed ETF. Well, that's all in today's special segment. I'm Ruchi Sharma signing off. We will meet again. Till then, keep watching 3.0 Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And for more such updates, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.